Alright, folks, welcome back to our Insane Asylum. We're going to be doing another Would You Press the Button game, or Will You Press the Button game. And the first person to actually go for this video, as I go down the list, Ember, say hi.
Penis.
Azura, say hi.
Hi.
Ghost, say hi.
Hi.
Panda, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, Ember. Your question, will you press the button? Your question is, you get to be a Time Lord and travel around in space and time in a TARDIS, but you don't have any regeneration, so you can't regenerate anything.
I'm still slamming that button.
61% of people slammed the button, 39 didn't, so you got a point.
Yay.
Alrighty. Next, Azura.
Nanny.
You can have any gun you want, but you have to invite me to the call and bandage my character.
Okay.
So you're going to press the button?
Yeah.
44% of people pressed the button, 56 did not.
Damn it.
Okay, Ghost. You can die a hero, but you may live long enough to become the villain.
Sure, why not?
Everyone's just like, sure, why not? Sure, why not? 64% of people said yes, so he gets a point. Panda.
Yes.
You receive $5,000 US weekly, tax-free for the rest of your life, but you have to live in a house with your worst phobia, and if you overcome it, will change.
I guess I'll hit the button.
5,000 a week is a tempting offer. 40% of people said yes, 60% of people said no. No point.
This seems like some social engineering type crap.
Will you press the button? This is my question. You can see the future of anything you wish, but you can't tell anyone what is going to happen. Ugh. I can see the future, but I can't tell anybody. Shit. You know what? Fuck it, I'm pressing the button. Wow, 82% of people said they'd press the button. Holy shit. Awesome. Okay, Ember, your turn. You would be granted any 3 wishes, but regardless of your wishes, you would be fisted daily by a blue-haired deity.
Kinky. I'm not hitting the button.
Okay, she's not hitting the button. Will not? Yep, she got a point. 57% of people did not hit the button. So apparently 43% of people, aka 29,329 people, don't care to be fisted. And 39,591 people said, I don't want to be fisted. Is there a...
Daddy.
Exclusive early screenings to any TV show for the rest of your life, but the sound is delayed 5 seconds during every show.
Oh. Wait, repeat that again?
You get exclusive early screenings to any TV show for the rest of your life, but the sound is delayed 5 seconds during every show.
Oh, that would get so annoying. Fuck it, I'm pressing the button.
31% of people said they'd press the button. 69 didn't press the button, so no point.
Damn it!
Ghost. You lead the human race into a new golden age, ending world hunger, stopping all human conflict, and bringing forth free energy. You are remembered forever as the hero of the human race, but all of your friends, loved ones, and children will die a painful, slow death 1 year after meeting you, and you can no longer enjoy your hobbies.
I would press it because it'd be worth it to have world peace.
34% of people pressed the button. 66% of people did not press the button.
You make me one. Peace. I make you one all the time.
Panda.
Yeah.
You will unlock the secrets of the universe and have independent understanding of it, but nobody believes you regardless of the answers, and you are locked up in a psychiatric ward until you kill yourself by hanging.
Good grief.
I wouldn't push the button.
Yep, you're right. 66% of people did not press the button.
Woohoo, I got a point.
And apparently 25,515 people said that they would just like to die by hanging. Holy shit.
Yeah.
My question, you get to eat any...
Sleep without music.
Why do they have to give me this question? You get to eat anything you want for the rest of your life without getting out of shape, but you have to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning, walk outside nude, and stare at the sky for an hour, regardless of weather conditions. Oh my god.
I would so do it.
The
I would
the
so press that, but I got nothing to be ashamed of.
the Indian part of me says yes. I'm pressing the button. Oh my god! I just barely won. 50% of people said yes. 50% of people said no. But however, it shows how many people actually said yes. 31,420 people said yes. 31,309 people said no. Just by slightly over 100 votes, the yes won. So I get a point. Yay! Wow, by 111 votes. Holy shit. Ember. You get to keep the One Ring, LORT. But you have to give Golem a piggyback everywhere you go.
Mind you, he's also the person who bit off Bilbo's finger and eats raw fish.
You get to keep the One Ring to rule them all, but you have to give Golem a piggyback ride.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll push the button.
32% of people pushed the button. 68% of people did not push the button. Azura. You can read people's minds, but the person whose mind you're reading can read yours along as you are reading theirs.
Sure, why not?
61% of people said yes, so you get a point.
Yeah, my first point.
Well, I have 2, Ember has 2, Azura you have 1, Ghost has 1, and Panda has 1. Okay, Ghost.
Yeah.
The world turns into a zombie apocalypse. Also, you are a survivor, but your group send you to find items at a graveyard and leave you alone. But the only thing is, the world turns zombie apocalypse and you are a survivor, so you survive the whole thing. And your group sends you in a graveyard and leaves you alone. You're still surviving. So would that technically say you're just going to survive the whole thing anyway?
Not particularly. It means I could have just gotten lucky for the entire time.
Good. Pressing the button or not pressing the button?
I would not, because I wouldn't leave them alone, because then they could die and I'd be alone.
61% of people did not press the button. You get a point.
Shit.
Panda.
Yes.
You have the ability to attract any person in the world, but you end up attracting many strange, ugly, and dangerous people as well.
Oh, great.
Sounds like someone we both know.
No.
I will not. Wow, 51% of people said they will not, so you get a point. 49% of people said they would.
Jeez.
Damn. Me, okay, you can fly, but just... Oh my god.
That doesn't sound good.
My question is, you can fly, but just into the Twin Towers.
Oh shit.
I will not. Go fuck yourself. Thank you, I get a point for that. 34% of people said they would. 22,000...
Stuff like that.
Okay, people, I'm looking at you. All 22,337 people that said yes, that they would fly, but just in the Twin fucking Towers, you guys deserve to get off the fucking world. Okay, Ember.
Yes.
You can see the future, but you'll get them in random spurs, and when you get them, you get massive migraines beforehand, and the only way to subdue them is to turn into an alcoholic.
No. I'm not pushing the button.
62% of people said they will not. You get a point. Azura!
Huh?
You get any video game you desire for 4 weeks before its official release, but there is a 50% chance that it's scratched and won't work.
Damn. Hell, what the hell? I'll press the button.
70% of people said they would. So you get a point.
Woo!
33222. Ghost. You get laser eyes, but they don't shoot lasers but are made of lasers.
No.
I will not. 63% of people said they will not. You get a point. Okay, Panda.
Yes.
You will stop nationwide you will stop nationwide health care, but the government will shut down, causing thousands to go homeless.
No. I will not.
Yep, you get a point. 74% of people said they won't. Good. Me, you have godlike powers, but you will die at the age of 20. Well, I'm already past that, so I won't. 58% of people said they will not. Good, I get my 4th point. Yay! 1 more point and I win. But technically, if anybody else is at 4, we have to go to a tiebreaker point. Ember.
I have no clue where I'm at.
You're at 3. I'm at 4, Ember's at 3, Azura's at 2, you're at 3, and Panda's at 3. But Ember, you gain complete control over an advanced research laboratory with an unlimited number of test subjects to do as you please, but you are trapped as an artificial intelligence and become partially insane. Wow, that sounds like Resident Evil.
Honestly, I would hit the button, but I know the correct answer is no. So I'm
So,
gonna go with no.
you're right. No, 58%. Okay, Azura. You become the richest person in the world, but only your family can spend your money. Oh dear.
I'm okay with that.
73% of people said they're okay with it. You get a point. So you're at 3. That's the most points you've scored in the game so far.
I know, right?
Meanie.
Ghost. Your wishes shall be granted, but you get 1 random sexual fetish.
Well,
Sure, why not? I'll push the button.
Oh boy.
fuck.
And wow, 79% of people push the button. Holy shit, he gets that 4 points.
Damn.
So it's going to be a tiebreaker so far between 3 people. Unless Panda scores, it'll be between 4 people. Okay, Panda, your turn. You can live inside any game you choose, but you will be the complete opposite gender and never leave it.
I guess I'll hit the button.
So you'd rather be a man in any game you choose.
You'd still get a lot of pussy that way if you did.
59% of people push the button, so now it's a 4-way tie right now. Me, Ember, Ghost, and Panda. If I get the 5th point, everybody else can go to get the 5 points. And if we all do, then we got to keep going. Oh boy. Okay, you get the ability to travel in time, but you can only travel in one direction, future or past. Which you choose before gaining the ability. Oh god. Do I want to go into the future to see what the hell the future holds, or do I want to go in the past and try to fix everything?
Well, here's the thing: if you go in the past to try to fix things, you won't get to see it because you'll keep traveling into the past. You won't be able to travel forward again. But if you travel forward, you may not like what you see, which means you'll never be able to travel back, which means you have to keep traveling forward.
Mm-hmm. That's the hard part right there. You know what?
Then again, if you travel forward, you might like what you see and keep traveling forward.
Yeah, if you go back just year by year by year, you can like fix this and then find out this horrible mistake was made 5 years ago, go back and fix that. And
But
then
you'll
go back
never be able to see the outcome because you also have to consider in fact of the butterfly effect. Whatever you change in the past will affect the future.
which means it doesn't affect you.
Ah,
You have the feeling that you did something right. Even if it's a false feeling, you still feel it.
ah.
But here's also the thing.
I will not. Fuck.
If it
Six-
messes it up,
What happened, Reggie?
68% of people pressed the button. 32% of people didn't, and I didn't press the button. No point for me. Okay, Ember. You can control your weight and change it in an instant, but you can no longer eat your most favorite food.
Do it. I'm hitting the button.
62% of people hit the button, so Ember's got her 5th point. So right now you are in net first place, unless someone ties you.
Okay.
Alright, Azura, your turn.
Okay.
You will know the answer to every question anyone asks you, but you can only speak when someone asks you a question.
hey, that reminds me of an episode of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
Yeah. I'll do it.
And no point. 45% of people said they would. 55 didn't. Okay, Ghost. You'll get planted inside Second Life as a character, and you'll be allowed to have sex with every character there, but you'll stay there forever. Well, you can have all the sex in the world, and you can stay there forever and be whatever you want to be, so...
But it's just cyber. There's no actual feeling.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. I just scared the crap out of the kitty. I'm sorry, honey.
Poor kitty.
So no pressing the button or pressing the button or what?
No, I'm not going to press the button.
52% of people said they wouldn't press the button. You get your 5th point. But there are 29,732 sexual men and women out there. Okay, Panda. By pressing this button, you will gain the ability to shapeshift into anything you want. But you will have forgotten everything that happened to you while in that form.
Now what was that? The last part?
You get the ability to shapeshift into anything you want, but you will have forgotten everything that happened to you while in that form.
I'll do it.
Wow, 57% of people said they would. So we got a three-way tie for the lead right now. Okay, Ember.
Yes.
Oh god, this should be for Ghost. But you can fuck any woman you want, but every time you do, you lose 1 year off your lifespan.
Yeah. I hit the button.
41% of people did not hit the button. Or 41% of people hit the button. 59 said they wouldn't hit the button.
I'm
So,
out. Am I
yep.
eliminated?
At the moment, unless someone else gets a point. You're still in it unless someone else gets a point. Ghost.
I think you just skipped yourself.
Huh?
I think you skipped yourself because it was me, then it was supposed to be you, but then you went to Amber.
Yeah, because you, Ember, and Ghost all have 5 points. You're tied for the win right now.
Oh.
Okay, Ghost. You can make a planet in our solar system and shape it however you want, giving you the potential to make your own heaven planet. But you can't go to any other planet ever. Upon entering another planet's sphere of gravitational influence, you unleash a fart as powerful as a supernova, killing all life forms in the solar system.
Fuck yes, I'm pressing that button. I know I failed, but I'll press it anyways.
Wow, 58% of people pressed the button. He's got 6 points now. So right now he's in first place unless Panda can tie him. Okay, Panda. You get to have a spaceship capable of traveling at near speed of light, discovering new galaxies and planets and alternate universe, but you get lost in space.
No, I wouldn't hit the button.
53% of people said they will not hit the button, so you're still tied for first.
God damn it.
So am I out?
Yeah, you're out.
Okay.
Okay, Ghost. You gain infinite potential and can learn any magic skills you wish. But in order to gain these skills, you have to eat people whole and alive, and the more you do this, the more deformed and demonic you become.
Good grief.
Fucking hell, some of these questions are weird. Will you click? Will you not?
That's a very good question. I can't decide. I really can't say if anybody would actually say that or not. Me personally, I would say that, but I will not push the button, and she wins.
61% of people did not push the button, so you got another point. 7 points. Oh shit, I just dropped my pen. Okay, Panda. Where the hell is my pen? There it is. Panda, you will be the best at something and revolutionize the world for the better. But while alive, you will be hated for what your gifts, what you don't, or I should say, while alive, you will be hated for what your gifts, what you do, won't affect the world until you are dead, and you will die at the age of 35.
Will not hit the button.
60% of people did not hit the button. You two are still tied. Holy shit. Okay, Ghost. You'll become a Pokemon trainer, but you will lose all your memories.
Oh my god.
Sure, why not? I'll push it. I don't care if I lose or not. It's Pokemon. I love Pokemon.
44% of people pushed the button. 56 did not. So technically you are in net second place if Panda gets a point. So Panda, your question. You will become the richest woman, but you must dress like a woman, or must dress like a man for your entire life.
I'll do it. Shit.
59% of people said yes, 41 said no. Panda wins. So it was Panda first with 8 points, Ghost in second with 7, Ember in third with 5. Ember in third with 5, me in fourth with 4, and Azura in fifth with 3.
Alright guys, I got cut off. I'll see you later.
Okay, that'll be the end of this video. I hope everyone had fun watching. Goodbye.